In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block YouTube on Samsung TV. Firstly, press the home button on your Samsung TV remote to return to the home screen. On the top right corner of the screen, click the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Scroll down or navigate to the app style and on the screen, then select it. In the Apps section, use the left or right arrow keys on your remote to highlight the YouTube app. Once you're in the YouTube app, press Enter button to bring up the Options menu. From the list, choose the Lock option. You will be prompted to enter a PIN code. If you have already set a PIN, enter it. If you haven't, you may need to change the default PIN to a new one. After entering the PIN, the app will be locked. You should now see a padlock symbol next to the YouTube app on the home screen. Try launching the YouTube app. You will be prompted to enter the PIN code before being able to access the app. Now YouTube is successfully locked on your Samsung TV, and anyone who tries to open it will need the PIN to access it.